So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And now once you're on this, on the left hand side, you're going to click on this PC. And then you're going to find the drive that you have Windows installed on. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. That's how you know it's the correct one. You're going to double click on it. And then click on Windows. And now you're going to scroll down until you find Software Distribution. Here it is, you're going to find Software Distribution. You're going to double click on this. And now you want to delete everything that's in this folder. You just want to hover over it and then click on Delete. And then click on Delete for all current items. And then click on Continue. If you get this, click on Delete for all current items again. And then click on Skip. If there's anything left in this folder, that's fine. We're just going to ignore it. And now for the second step, you're going to head over to search and type in Services. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you're going to scroll down until you find Background Intelligent Transfer Service. You're going to double click on this. Make the startup type Automatic. And then click on Start, which will then make the service status running. And then click on OK. And now you're going to click on any service one time and then click on W on your keyboard. You're going to scroll down until you find Windows Update. Double click on it, startup type, automatic, and then click on Start, which will then make the service running. And then click on OK. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in Troubleshoot Settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you're going to click on Additional Troubleshooters. Wait for this to load. And now you're going to find Windows Update. Click on it. And then click on Run the Troubleshooter. Now you just want to go through this, wait for this to load. If it detects any problems, it's going to fix it for you. And then once you've gone through this, you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.